In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your task management by creating a Zap with Zapier, specifically integrating Notion with Things. This will help you streamline your workflow and ensure that tasks captured in Notion automatically appear in Things, saving you time and effort in managing your to-do lists. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up or log in if you're an existing user. Once you're on the dashboard, your first step is to click on the Create Zap button. This will initiate the process of linking your apps together with what's known as a Zap or automated workflow. Now, for the first part of this process, we need to set up a trigger. In Zapier, a trigger is an event that starts your Zap. You'll want to choose Notion as your app and new database item as your trigger event. Essentially, what this means is that whenever you add a new item in your selected Notion database, it will initiate this automation. Next, you'll need to select the specific tasks database from your Notion account. Confirm that everything is correctly selected, and you can proceed after configuring the trigger. It's time to set the action, which is what you want to happen in response to the trigger. Select Things as your action app and Create Task as the action event. This setup tells Zapier to create a new task in Things whenever there's a new entry in the Notion tasks database. Now we'll map the fields from Notion to Things. For the title field in Notion, link it to the title field in Things. This mapping ensures the task name you enter in Notion carries over to Things unchanged. Then connect the due date from Notion's tasks database to the deadline field in Things, so you can keep track of when each task is due. Finally, map the notes from Notion to either the URL or description field in Things, whichever works best for your needs. This setup will bring over any additional details you've included in Notion into Things. Before we wrap things up, make sure to test this Zap to verify everything is configured correctly. You can do this by using the Test button in Zapier, which simulates the process. This helps confirm that your integration works as intended. Once the test shows successful results, you should turn the Zap on by toggling the switch at the top of the screen. And with that, you're done. This seamless integration will now ensure that every new task you jot down in Notion is conveniently created as a task in Things, aiding you in maintaining an organized and efficient task management system. So don't forget to check out how this automation impacts your workflow, and feel free to make adjustments based on the feedback from your usage. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.